Hello, everyone. I'm Han Kongyang. First of all, I would like to apologize. I'm busy with my graduation recently, so I made the presentation in a hurry. My paper title is Treating Crowdsourcing as Examination: How to Score Tasks and Online Workers. And my research direction is crowdsourcing. It belongs to the field of data mining. I will present my work from the following 6 points. First, many of you may heard about crowdsourcing for the first time. So what is crowdsourcing? Crowdsourcing is a new working mode that is the practice of outsourcing tasks to online workers. Generalized crowdsourcing tasks can be of any type, and this is an simple example of a data mining crowdsourcing task. We can summarize 3 key points in the definition of crowdsourcing: crowd, outsourcing, and internet. And that is outsourcing tasks to workers through internet. You may not have heard crowdsourcing before, but you must have used the service brought by crowdsourcing, such as online outsourcing service, takeout distribution service, online knowledge question and answer platform, and so on. Wikipedia content is created and maintained by a group of volunteer crowdsourcing workers. Crowdsourcing tasks can be divided according to task granularity and incentive. Crowdsourcing research mainly focuses on the practice of simple tasks with money as a reward, just as the left down corner, such as MEG annotation. The famous MEG-lab dataset is completed through crowdsourcing. But why do we need crowdsourcing? Among the common task type of crowdsourcing, we mainly focus on the data classification task. That is data annotating task. Its goal is to provide massive annotated data for machine learning algorithms. Data collection, labeling, and cleaning can be done effectively and cheaply through crowdsourcing. There are the common forms of crowdsourcing tasks. We mainly focus on single label task. That is, in the given set of labels, there is one and only one option is the most appropriate. This is a common overflow of crowdsourcing in which there are 3 parties participate. The requesters provide tasks and budgets. The platform allocates tasks and the workers completed their tasks and returns answers to the platform. The platform finally collects and returns the final results to the requester. There are 3 important issues worth studying: how to complete crowdsourcing tasks with limited budget, and how to ensure the quality of data results, and how to control the overall time cost. We mainly focus on the quantity and budget. As crowdsourcing workers can make mistakes, and so a task is often annotated repeatedly by multiple workers. So one of the keys to improve quality is truth inference. The process of getting the final results from multiple answers is called truth inference. Just as the PowerPoint shows, there are 4 workers and they give different answers. How to infer the truth from the task is called truth inference. The key of truth inference is the modeling of workers and tasks. Only by understanding the characteristics of each worker and task can we carry out truth inference better. This is a simple example. After calculation, it can be seen that option B is more likely to be the truth answer. We found some problems if worker A and B have completed 10 tasks and made 8 correct in history. We usually think that the accuracy of worker A and B are both 0.8. However, what if the tasks assigned to worker A are much more difficult than those assigned to B? We have reason to think that worker A will perform better than B in the future. Just as the finger shows, we found that it would be more appropriate to take into account the difficulty of the tasks when calculating the quantity of workers. Tasks that are too simple or too difficult cannot distinguish workers of different quantity. Only when the task difficulty is medium, the performance of high quantity workers, general quantity workers, and low quantity workers will show the greatest difference. Similar to the examination, only when the difficulty of the task is moderate can the task objectively reflect the real ability level of students. Based on above observation, our work has made some small improvements in the process of truth inference stage. When calculating workers' ability, we mainly focus on workers' performance in medium difficult tasks. If you are interested in the specific content, you can refer to our paper. We have conducted both simulated experiment and a real data set experiment. This is our experimental setting. Due to time reason, we will not explain it in detail. In short, our final conclusions are as follows. First, when evaluating worker's ability, considering the difficulty of the task assigned to him, we'll need to better work model. And better worker and task models leads to higher quantity results. All existing workers still have shortcomings. Truth inference is still an open problem. And finally, compared with truth inference algorithm, how to get high quantity raw data is more critical. That's all. Thank you.